Welcome. This is the Coronavirus Central Florida Update. I'm Maria.
And I'm Melissa. We are members of the community, just like you.
Welcome. Thank you so much for joining us here today at the Coronavirus Central Florida podcast. I'm Maria, and today we are bringing you the show remotely from our home. So if you happen to hear my dog bark, please forgive him.
Yes, and my name is Melissa, and it is April 1st, and we have some updated numbers to start off with. So here in Florida, there are a little over 6,700 confirmed cases and 85 deaths. Here in the United States, we have over 163 confirmed cases and 2,800 deaths. So what is scary about that, though, to me, Maria, is that we're nowhere near the peak. We're a couple of weeks away from that peak. Yesterday, I was watching a press conference, and they showed a graph. And in that graph, it showed what it would have looked like if we wouldn't have done any social distancing versus what our goal is with social distancing. And the difference is huge. So let me kind of explain that to you. With social distancing, the goal of loss of lives here in the United States is anywhere from 100 to 240,000 people. It's a lot of people, but without social distancing, the numbers are astounding. They're anywhere from 1.5 to 2.2 million people. Can you imagine? That's here in the United States alone. So we must social distance. We must follow those guidelines.
I completely agree. And obviously, social distancing is super important to the healthcare providers as well. We maintaining our distance helps them hugely. They are on the front lines. There are the boots on the ground, putting their lives at risk first and foremost. So do them a favor by lessening the risk that they put themselves at for us by staying at home. If you need to go out and get food, okay, take the necessary precaution, keep to those guidelines. Now, I do want to mention that the Central Florida Convention Center drive-through testing has changed the requirements as of today, actually. So previously, you had to be at least 65 years of age and showing symptoms or a healthcare provider to be able to get tested. But as of today, it does not matter how old you are. If you are showing a fever of 99.6 or higher and have any respiratory symptoms or pre-existing conditions, then please go there and get tested. They will definitely go ahead and provide that test for you.
Yeah, and you know what? I love that you mentioned that because it is a community approach to decrease those numbers. And the healthcare professionals, yes, they play a big role in this, but it's the whole community. It's the medical providers, it's the first responders, and it's just the individuals that live in the community to follow the rules. We have to work together to decrease these numbers. Some fantastic news has come out about a few different things. Diamond Resorts is offering, now this is an information that I was given from a friend, but the information is out there and available. We'll be putting the links to this on the website for Instagram and Facebook. But Diamond Resorts is offering a free room to first responders and medical professionals to help them distance themselves from their families so they don't bring it home to them. I think that's very wonderful that they're doing that.
It's amazing.
Absolutely. Avid is rolling out with a new test that will provide results that will come in between 5 and 15 minutes. This will allow providers to have a more patient-centered care and be able to diagnose that immediately and go ahead and start trialing the new medication that they're talking about, the chloroquine, the hydrochloroquine. This will be a quick, easy way to figure out whether or not people need to be quarantined and keeping themselves distanced from their loved ones and family. Another thing that came out is, well, as a medical professional, this is fantastic to me because N95s has been talked about, the shortage of them. It's been, a big problem. Patel has come out with a new sterilization process for the N95s, and this has been approved by the FDA. And each unit can sterilize 120,000 N95s a day. Now, there are 5 of these, 2 of which are located in Ohio, 1 is in DC, 1 is in Washington, and 1 is in New York. So this is going to really help those facilities that are in need of N95s. Just the fact that we can reuse them, period, even if it was just once. I mean, I know it's more than that, but that's fantastic news. Any information locally
Yeah, there is lots of information here locally, especially the city of Kissimmee as of today. They have modified their eviction program that they offer assistance to low-income residents in the city who have been impacted by the coronavirus. So as of today, the program offers a new maximum amount of $1,200 for housing assistance or 1 month rent, whichever is less than the $1,200. Applicants must be City of Kissimmee residents, and all of the requirements are on the website. We will be providing the link, but that's a whole month of rent assistance, for folks who really need that. Obviously, coronavirus is severely impacting our economy. Finances are in shambles for lots of families right now. Lots of people are being furloughed or laid off, so this is a huge help. Absolutely. Additionally, there is also assistance for restaurant employees from the National Restaurant Association. So beginning tomorrow, they will be offering a one-time $500 check for those who have been affected by COVID-19 in any way. They don't have to be positive, but their finances must have been affected. So, and we will also be providing the link for that. Again, that's $500 one-time check. So that's another huge help.
Substantial. I love it. I love hearing these different places that are coming in and all these different resources and people pulling together to kind of get through this. I absolutely love it.
It's going to, require a group effort for
absolutely.
It's impacting the globe, so it's not just the country, it's not just our neighborhood. We're all going to have to pull together as humans.
Yep, we're in this together. So in saying that, as a mother of 3, 2 of which are still in school here, they have now extended school to May 1st. So this homeschool efforts it's a challenge, I'll just tell you.
I'm sure.
But for the parents out there that are helping their kids do the homeschool and get through these different assignments and try to get into this system, Dolly Parton is offering free Good Night with Dolly, basically. She's reading books to kids at night. So this will allow the parents who are spending so much time during the day trying to help their kids with this new process. With the school, they'll get a little bit of a break with the bedtime story. This starts April 2nd and will go on until September 21st, and it should be starting at 7 p.m. So keep an eye out for that. I appreciate what she does. She's part of a program that is out to combat illiteracy, and they send out 1 million books every single month to children throughout the world. So they do some wonderful things, and so I appreciate them doing this as well.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. I'm a huge proponent for literacy and books. I'm a huge book addict. So go Dolly. I might check into that and listen to the story myself. Yeah, additionally, the Reyes Mezcaleria, which is a great local Mexican restaurant with high gourmet food, is offering free meals today and tomorrow. You do not have to be an employee of the tourism or restaurant industry. It's basically anybody who has been affected financially by the coronavirus. You do have to apply. The email is goodsaltgrp.com. Again, we will post this link, but it will be a free meal today and tomorrow, and the food's going to be delicious. So if you need it, please sign up, goodsaltgrp.com. They will take care of you. Additionally, unfortunately, during times of need, sometimes there are folks who take advantage of the situation. If you feel that there is price gouging or any scamming going on, please call the 866-9-NO-SCAM. It is a toll-free number provided by the State Attorney General. That number is 866-966-7226 if you feel you have a victim or you feel there's somebody out there who's trying to victimize others.
All right. Well, that's all I have for today. You have anything else?
No, again, please maintain your social distance. It's going to be super important that we all work in this together. We will come back at you in our next episode with some fun ideas on how to stay sane and have fun while at home with your families. But thank you so much for joining us on this, our first remote episode. Thank you so much, guys. Stay safe.
Yes, stay safe. Thank you.
So don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Coronavirus Central Florida Update. We will be providing resources and updates as they become available.
If you are a business owner and would like to promote your services, please contact us. We would love to help.